Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to enable multiple pre-moves in chess.com. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are logged in, I want you to look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There's going to be a few small icons here. You have two people, you have envelope, you have your bell, and you have your cogwheel. Cogwheel signifies, or it means that this is the settings option. So I want you to click on the cogwheel and this pop-up will appear, and click on all settings. It's going to be the top option and it's going to bring you to this page. So once you are in the settings page, I want you to click on gameplay here on these options here. So click on gameplay. You want to click on enable pre-moves. By default, it is not enabled, it is turned off. So to enable pre-moves, by the way, pre-moves it's pretty much a feature in chess.com that lets you input your next move during your opponent's turn, meaning that once it's your turn, it's going to automatically execute what you wanted it to do. So all you need to do is click on it like so. It's going to have a check mark here to signify that you have enabled pre-move and it is automatically saved. So as you can see here, you don't need to save it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you enable pre-move. And all you need to do is go to the menu and just start a new game, and pre-moves is going to be turned on. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.